sort of a Memphis sounding horn section. I hear a baritone sax. Anyway, whatever. Something deep on top of this. I mean, you can almost go into a little rock and roll. It's kind of a 50s thing, but not quite.
Listen up now, y'all. I'm gonna try to reach you. Class is now in session. Pay attention to the teacher. We're going through the book, Genesis to Revelation. I'll teach your head how to spread salvation to the nation. We'll start with the basics, the checklist for the saints. Love the Lord with all your heart, your mind, and soul and strength. To fear the Lord is wisdom. To serve the Lord with might. To really break it down, just repeat these words of mine. First up, church artillery. We got war and sin. Got changes for evangelists, apostles, prophets too. Pastors, teachers, fire and all. We got work to do. Discernment, tongues, interpretation, prophecy, and faith. Wisdom, knowledge, healing, miracles, yeah, those are great. These names are like atomic bombs. They make the world explode. They just don't mean nothing unless you know the code.